Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create online product catalog. So open this website publuu.com and here we need to upload our product catalog. So once you're here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on product catalog. And now here you have to upload your catalog PDF file. So click on upload PDF. And I'm gonna select in my product catalog PDF file from here. And then here you need to create your account. So give here your first name, give here your email address and enter a strong password. And click on sign up for free. And it may take some time to prepare the preview. And then as you can see, my PDF has been successfully uploaded to this site, and here is the preview. This is how we can flip the product catalog. And now we can change or edit this product catalog from this left-hand menu. So we can click on name and description to change name, and we can add description here. And also we can change catalog background from here. And click on add logo. And from here you can attach or upload your own logo and click on menu, and you can add menu from here. You can enable print option, thumbnails option, full screen option. So adjust these menus options from here and click on security, and you can add password for this for your product catalog. Click on lead form and you can enable lead form to your flipbook or product catalog. Click on preferences, and here you can change page shadows, Google index, flipbook thickness and single pages. And after that, all you have to need, just click on share, and your product catalog will be shared to this website. And now you can copy your link to share this product catalog to anyone. For example, I'm gonna opening my incognito mode to show the final result of my product catalog. So I'm gonna pasting the URL here. And as you can see, my product catalog has been successfully uploaded to online. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.